Lot number 21 is Seidnazar. Had 30-odd starts for a win and a few placings as well. This would be a nice horse for someone getting into it the first time.
Somebody just starting off for a horse for them to play around with. She'd be a beauty. She's a 5-year-old mare. She looks a nice mare. No trouble. Take her to the races. Hopefully get a result.
Yeah, had a win and 4 placings, so, close enough to the money. Apparently it's 3 starts ago, only got beaten a length and a half.
Yeah, she's not far off the money.
That was up at Coffs Harbour, the prize money up there is nothing to sneeze at, Miracle. That is
Oh.
lot number 21 is Seidnazar.
Very good.